Hi, Mike. Thanks for your poem this week. I see that you used prompt one and let me answer your questions. Was it clear that obtaining a college degree was the goal of what we did? Um, it absolutely was to me. Um, but I think the indication of that was from this fourth line transfers student debt. Like those particular details were clues to me that that's what this was about. Um, so that's and also I think I can't help but be influenced by the fact that this was submitted for a college class, right? So that's the kind of clues that I found that indicated that it was about obtaining a college degree. And then you ask about this poem seeming too bland or plain compared to what you have been submitting to the class. And I think it's simple. It's like a really simple concept, but I don't think that's a bad thing. I think um, my recommendation for this poem would be actually just to make it a little bit longer, like keep it the same simple concept, but actually give us more details of what it meant to work towards that degree, right? I recognize that you're looking into the future to do this, but I think you can anticipate some more details, like who's other parts of that we and we did it. What classes were you taking that you found the most difficult? Other parts of the prompt suggest who will be and won't be in this memory, and then so that's what I would suggest is moving forward in that direction. Okay, thanks so much. And also, Mike, please don't forget to take a look at your portfolio, your writing portfolio, which is going to be due at the end of next week. That's the final project for the class. And I want you to take a look at those details and just be in touch if you have questions about any part of it. Thanks so much.